9-in-1 Multi-Monitoring Meters LBM02. Wash and dry your hands. Prepare the lancing device. Touch Smart Testing. Member. Choose the name in your members. Touch Go to Test. And then choose Fasting or Postprandial. It will go into match code number. Close the test strip's vial cap NFC, label to the meter back NFC. The meter will issue a beep and automatically enter the test interface. Remove a test strip from the vial. Replace cap immediately after taking ADA strip. Insert ADA strip into the test strip port. Contact bars end first and facing up. The meter will show apply sample to the strip. Get blood sample. Note, the round-shaped blood formed on the finger should be at least 13 microliter. Hold the blood drop to the top edge of the test strip until the confirmation window is full. Before the meter begins to count down from 15 to 0, then your triglycerides, total cholesterol, LDL-C, and HDL-C level appear on the display. The results are automatically stored in the meter's memory. Print the test result. After test result is shown on display, you can remove used test strip and touch back to print test report. Touch print, it will go into choose printer. Touch your printer to pairing it. After it's show connected, it's ready for printing results. Touch print to print your results directly. Range of expected values.
ACCU-ANSWER. Know myself, enjoy my life.